What up, guys? Nire-register pa lang sa amin.
I dropped the other one. I dropped the truck. Kenneth, you wouldn't let go of me!
Yan, bakit train? Eh, kanina doon mo, tingnan mo, train. Yan, pag inangat mo yung tubig, mag-glow. Tsaka kailangan mag-glow.
What's coolant, guys?
Coolant is cool, like me. It's for the AC, so it won't overheat. So it won't overheat.
Mamang, dira. Ilagay mo sa kamay mo para pag namatay ka. Yeah! Pwede. Ilagay mo sa baba.
Baba, I love you. I really thought I was.
Ano yan, yung pataas yung pangyayari niya?
Wait, hold on, I'm videoing.
Drawing niya. Hindi, nalaman ko lang nung pinagawa ko yan. Pag mag-isa ka lang, kailangan i-shoot mo doon sa mataas yung harap para
Go, Don.
tatlo kayo.
I got that, dude. Yeah.
Para hindi na siya kumanya.
Wait!
Masyado malapit.
There's Dondi.
Tangina mo yun.
Hey, watch out, kids. All right.
Parang tulog eh. Right pahinga yan.
All right, pahinga.
Sabi ko sa kanya, umuwi ka na, nakakasira ng tropa yung trabaho mo. O sige, punta ako dyan.
All right, kids.
Magmula yata nung ano kung baka yung lake siya. Sinaling pala pero eh.
Ha?
Sinaling siya sa
I
baba.
think I'm peeing right now.
Basa.
He missed you.
Kahit voice lang. Pero nabula natin yung ito eh. Mukha kang Pinoy eh. Kaya tinatanong tayo, hawakan tayo. Sabi ko, why? Kasabay ka. Nakita si Sam.
Give me some!
Lakas nun, man.
Oh, lapit mo dito.
Babasay tayo niyan. Oh yeah? This is YouTube, man.
So I dropped Ian and Kenneth wouldn't let me go! That's why Ian fell, but technically I dropped Kenneth. How'd you go to my boy?
Because you're going straight, right? Then you turn Yeah, and then I hit my butt. My left, no, my right butt.
No, my foot.
My right butt.
My foot.
Ayan na. Sarap ng tulog dito ngayon. Ang sarap ng tulog dito ngayon. Look.
Wala ba trabaho yung bukas?
I'm gonna do a front flip. Oh, jeez. Can I do a front flip then? Go. Front flip, that is a front flip.
Okay, go. Yeah! Gnarly!
Front flip, front flip. Oh!
Wait, hold on!
Hold on.
Sana yung mga bata sa gymnastic.
Hindi na.
Yung mga jet ski nila.
Did you see me drop them all the way over there?
Yeah.
Did you get it on tape?
Oh, yeah.
I was so scared. You're just so far apart. I was all the way over there.
Hinahatak ko at pag pinagaganyan siya, ayaw. Ang bagal. Hindi, tsaka kasi.
Iba talaga ang ano, isa ng ano, power ng mga ano dito.
And then I was
Go, Don! Ikot!
She kept gassing it. Ah!
You don't know, be able to get that. I was trying to get that.
Yeah.
I was trying to get that.
Hoy, malapit ka!
I was trying to get that.
That's why.
Did you have wax on?
Yeah.
Tayo. Para paikutan niyo tayo.
Okay. The end, ha?
Ayos ha. Oh.
Oh, pagas ka na.
This is the end right here.
Papadala mo kay Kwan, anong pangalan nun? Yung pinsan ni Kichi.
Sino yun?
Yung
Oh, si Charmin.
oh, bigay mo kay Charmin to, papadala mo sa kanya.
Charmin, wow, mabuto yun. Ay, hindi, narinig pala tayo. Kailangan may cut yun.
Si Mimi na lang para libre tayo.
Si Mimi!
Puta si George.
Kailangan ng masahe.
Masahe ba sa'yo? Puta kaya pala si Tim gumaganda kutis dahil pala yung facial nito eh. Ay! Tismis yan!
Alright. This is gonna be on YouTube tonight.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Enrica's butt crack right there.
No.
Oh, you guys jump the jump.
I wanna go.